Yun. Hi guys, I'm Christopher Nicolas for A15. I discuss the therapeutic community conducts rehabilitation. Community conducts rehabilitation include those who use legal drugs and those who are addicted to alcohol. This is to it themselves. For example, I'm client can be included in those who can be rehab if they use addicted drugs or alcohol. Objective of TCMP, or better known as the Therapeutic Community Modality Program. For example, we must have TCMP, we must have discipline in ourselves. Our habits and manners should always be with wherever we go. Companionship, and we must also know how to empathize with our fellow human being, because sometimes even I notice it sometimes in jokes. We don't notice that sometimes below the veil what we say it hurting our fellow human beings. And lastly, we need good confidence ourselves, because even I sometimes lost confidence in myself, so we need to write discipline so that we can expand our knowledge. The third therapeutic community philosophy. Based on my reading, it is said we need to cooperate in the activities of majority. For example, in our barangay there are community service, one of which speeding and sweeping in our barangays. Cooperation here, we can implement the things that are also for us: discipline, fellowship, people support for each other. Therapeutic community salience. From my understand, here, this is what we should follow. There is a right time every day. Also here, in our interaction with others, we will meet many people who will sometimes to talk to us, and we can correct their mistakes. We can tell them, and that should be the case with ourselves. This is where our confidence in our will confidence is where ourselves will be built more. In simple word, we should always be able to do it. No one will no one will back down. Only we get tired, just rest, and then strength again. I'm Christopher Nicolas from 4A15. I'm discuss on my video in therapeutic modality programs. Based on my knowledge, this is my report. This is my research from a little bit brain in my own words. That my video also. This is my video. Thank you for watching, and cooperate, and thank you.